Let's view the system communication and data flow as video streams to the XProtect web client or Milestone mobile app. First, cameras stream video to the recording server using ports and protocols that depend on the video stream configuration. When a web client or mobile client user requests live video on port 8081 for HTTP or port 8082 for HTTPS, the mobile server sends the request to the recording server. The recording server streams the live video to the mobile server on port 7563. The mobile server transcodes the video so mobile devices can view it in a suitable format and quality. Once the mobile server transcodes the video, it streams it to the mobile and web clients. This is typically on port 8081 for HTTP and port 8082 for HTTPS.